How to get 40% off Shein coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Shein coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Shein. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 20% off, 90% off, 30% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at Shein. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers for Shein. To use any of the offer, you have to just apply the same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, groupon.com. This is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers for Shein. So this way you can easily get up to 40% off Shein working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.